Hi, I'm Ashley Swinnerton, Collection Specialist in the Department of Film at the Museum of Modern Art. We have a very special guest today, the Celeste Bartos Chief Curator of Film at MoMA, Rajendra Roy. He's going to talk a little bit about a special film from our collection, Limekiln Club Field Day. Thanks for joining us, Raj.
It's a real pleasure, Ashley. Thank you so much for organizing this amazing summer series.
So Limekiln Club Field Day was produced between 1913 and 1914 and rediscovered 100 years later by archivists here at the museum. Why do you think this film is so important, Raj?
Well, you know, the film is a very rare document of this amazing troupe of actors that was working in Harlem and in New York, led by Burt Williams. It's an all African-American cast. Burt Williams himself was Caribbean-American, but obviously a very complicated figure in the fact that he wore blackface through most of his career. This was an accommodation of white audiences who in many cases would not accept a black star on screen or stage. But by his accommodation of that racist requirement, the rest of the cast was able to perform without racist makeup. So it is both a document of the racist traditions in the entertainment industry and an amazing and vital portrait of a Black middle class that has basically been erased from our cinema history.
Limekiln is one of the most popular films in our collection since its rediscovery in 2014. What is the result of that access?
Well, one of the wonderful things is this film has been reclaimed and interrogated and repurposed by several African-American artists, including Garrett Bradley and Oscar nominee Ramel Ross. Also, an amazing amount of scholarship and journalism has resulted from this rediscovery. To learn more, I invite everyone to visit MoMA.org, and I just want to thank everyone for watching.